Hi, I'm Aatmika. I'm working as an assistant professor in Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Karnataka, and she's my loving daughter Aatmika. She's in 8th grade, and here now she's going to perform and explore an experiment given to us by Cambrionics Life Sciences. We have been traveling with Cambrionics Life Sciences for a while, and I'm really inspired by their creativity and innovation in biology. Now we are excited. Let's explore Aatmika.
Hey everyone, so today we are going to be doing an experiment by isolating the DNA from a banana. I know it sounds super interesting, so without any further ado, let's get started. So, by reading this instruction paper, the first step we need to do is mash half a banana in this container. I'm also going to take the masher and we are going to start mashing it. So here is the mashed banana. I've completely mashed this banana. So we also have to add a little water, a pinch of salt, few drops of detergent and mix well. So now I've prepared the mixture. So I'm going to strain it in this glass with the filter cloth and the cup. So now I've completely strained it and I think I have enough amount of juice. So now we are going to pour it into this test tube. So now we have the juice inside this test tube, and now it's time for us to add some IPA. So now I'm going to take some IPA. And I'm going to add 2 drops. So now I've added the IPA and now it's time for us to keep this solution undisturbed for a while. Meantime, while we're waiting for the DNA to get isolated from the banana, I would like to answer some questions from this sheet. So the first question I have is, where all do you find DNA? What other ways can you isolate DNA? So I think I will find DNA in all living things because I think DNA is there in all cells. So whatever has cells, anything which has cells can have DNA.
And I have few questions for you. What kind of superhero you would create genetically? You want to create genetically?
So I would like to create a superhero with good brain power and a lot of IQ. So I would want to take the DNA from, I would like to take the genes from parents or from people who have a lot of brain power and also physical power, because as a superhero I would want my hero to save the world using both the thinking abilities and the physical abilities. So that's the type of superhero I would create genetically.
So another question, does all cells of our body have same DNA?
that was it for the experiment. Hope you guys liked it.
Thank you.
Hey all, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you found this video to be interesting, please share it to your friends and known people. Also, if you want such experimental kit boxes for your kids, please reach out in the number below. Thanks a lot.